Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful gents knitting pattern for you. This pattern is very easy to make. You can use this pattern in any gents sweaters, ladies cardigans, baby blankets, shawls, caps, jackets. This pattern will suit in any project. From backside our pattern will look like this. For this pattern I have used basic cast on and designer ribbing. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 3 stitches and plus 2 stitches for border, and this is only 2 rows repeat pattern. For demonstration I have taken 14 stitches, multiple of 3 4 times and plus 2 stitches for border. This is our first row. Our first row begins from right side. Purl first edge stitch and then repeat pattern. Knit 1 stitch and then purl 1 stitch and then knit 3rd stitch. This is our first repeat pattern. Knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1. Now second repeat, again knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1. This is our second repeat pattern. Now third repeat, knit 1, purl 1 and knit 1. Now last repeat, knit 1 stitch and then purl 1 stitch and knit next stitch. This is our last repeat pattern. Now purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Slip edge stitch and then repeat pattern. Knit first stitch from back loop and then without releasing that stitch add next stitch to that stitch and then knit both stitches together. Now release only first stitch and then add 3rd stitch to 2nd stitch, and now again knit both stitches together from back loop. This is first repeat. Now second repeat, knit first stitch from back loop and then add 2nd stitch to first stitch. Now knit both stitches together from back loop and release only first stitch and then add 3rd stitch to 2nd stitch and again knit both stitches together from back loop. This is our second repeat pattern. Now third repeat, knit first stitch from back loop and then add 2nd stitch to the first stitch and knit both stitches together from back loop. Now release only first stitch and add 3rd stitch to 2nd and knit both stitches together from back loop. This is our 3rd stitch. Release both stitches. Now last repeat, knit 1 stitch from back loop. Now add 2nd stitch to the first stitch and knit both stitches together from back loop. Now release only first stitch. Now add 3rd stitch to 2nd stitch and knit both stitches together from back loop. Now release both stitches. This is our last repeat. Now purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row. Repeat these 2 rows until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye friends. Bye bye. See you.